Tired of your financial privacy being trampled on? Sick of Big Brother watching your every transaction? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into Beam Wallet, a revolutionary cryptocurrency wallet that puts your financial freedom back in your hands. Imagine a world where your money is truly yours. No prying eyes, no government surveillance, just you and your funds, living life on your own terms. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Beam, that dream might not be so far off. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency built on the Mimblewimble protocol. Think of it as Bitcoin, but on steroids, more secure, more private, and more efficient. Beam leverages cutting-edge cryptography to shield your transactions from prying eyes, making it virtually impossible to track your spending habits. So, how does it work? At its heart, Beam utilizes confidential transactions. This means that not only the amount being transferred, but also the sender and recipient addresses are hidden from the public blockchain. Only the participants in the transaction have access to this information. This level of privacy is unprecedented in the cryptocurrency world. But that's not all. Beam also employs a technique called dandelion, which further enhances privacy by obscuring the origin of transactions. Imagine your transaction as a seed, and the network as the wind. Dandelion allows your transaction to bounce around the network anonymously before reaching its final destination, making it incredibly difficult to trace back to its source. Now, let's talk about the Beam wallet itself. The user interface is incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. You can easily send and receive Beam, manage your addresses, and even stake your coins to earn rewards. The wallet also features a built-in exchange, allowing you to swap Beam for other cryptocurrencies with ease. Why should you choose Beam? Unparalleled privacy. Your financial data is your own. No one can track your spending habits or monitor your transactions. Enhanced security. The Mimblewimble protocol provides robust security against various attacks, ensuring your funds remain safe. Improved efficiency. Beam boasts faster transaction speeds and lower fees compared to many other cryptocurrencies. Decentralization. Beam is a decentralized cryptocurrency, meaning it's not controlled by any single entity. Now, you might be wondering, is Beam legal? The answer is yes, in most jurisdictions. However, it's crucial to research the regulations in your specific region before using Beam. Ready to take control of your financial privacy? Download the Beam wallet today and experience the future of cryptocurrency. Explore the world of private and secure transactions. Discover the power of financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and stay informed.